My name is Kirthana and I'm a Child Life volunteer. I need a little help with my hair today. Let's see if we can find a friend that can help me out. I found a friend!
Hi, I'm Madelyn, a Child Life volunteer, and I'm gonna help Kirthana with her hair today.
I think the look I'm going for today is like a half up, half down, curly hairstyle for spring. And maybe we could even put a bow in it.
Oh, I can do that. Okay, so these pieces are the ones we're gonna wanna leave out. The first step is to separate the hair that's at the crown of the head. Once you've separated the hair from the crown of the head, you're gonna take a small rubber band and you're going to wrap it around the hair. Now that we have this hair separated out, you're gonna loosen the top part near the crown a little bit more. After you've curled the hair, go ahead and shake it out with your hands. That's so cute. And for a finishing touch, we'll add a bow. Your final product will look something like this.
Thank you so much, Madelyn, for helping me out. I love my hair.
Of course! Let me know the next time you need help with your hair.
See you later!